Hello everyone, I just want to show you my tools before I start gardening. First, I always like to use a shovel for loosening up the ground and mixing the leaves on my soil. Every fall I like to leave some leaves on the soil to enrich the soil for next year. And then I like to use this tool to just work more of the ground to loosen up and take any weeds if there is any. And then I like to use the rake to level the ground before I start seeding, planting my seeds. And I like to use this tool here to help me plant the seeds. So again, I'm just going to show you, this is what it looks like, these tools, and the rake, and this tool. And I'll just show you what I do with the shovel. So this I did a little bit already, and what I do, I just kind of where I put some leaves, I just shovel like this and just turn the soil around and shovel again and turn it around. I don't know if you can see with this stick. This is what I do. I'll be back when I'm all done. Thank you very much for watching.